Alright, y'all. So I've been out all day and my knee is hurting really, really bad. So I'm about to make me some cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper pain rub. So I got this is mango butter. It's mango butter. So I'm trying to melt the mango butter down. And then I'm going to add cayenne pepper, peppermint oil, and some, what else I got? Oh, lavender in the oil. You know, just make like a lotion. And it's going to be for pain, for my knee. For pain. Okay, y'all. So I whipped up my mango butter. This is mango butter. So I'm having a problem with my knee today. My knee is like really, really in pain. So instead of taking medicine, I'm trying to do it the holistic way. I've done this before and it really helped. So I'm just gonna try to do it again today, and hopefully it helps. So that's my butter. That's my butter. I got some lavender oil. I'm gonna put a little lavender in here. Put some lavender oil in there. It's cayenne pepper. And just mix it up. Just mix it up. It's like a lotion, like a salve. Put it in this jar right here and write what it is. And whenever I'm hurting, back, neck, arm, wherever. I usually put peppermint oil in there too, but I don't have no peppermint oil. So I'm just gonna stir this up real, really good. Smells good. The lavender oil. I don't want to put too much cayenne pepper in there because if I put too much of it in there, it's gonna be burning and I ain't gonna be able to stand it. So yeah. So I don't want to put too much in there. But if I put it on my knee and I don't feel no burn at all I gotta do is just put more cayenne pepper. There's my jar. Put all in there. Just right. Tired of taking medicine and shit don't do no good. The old remedies work. You heard me? These old school remedies work. And if I would have took Tylenol, like I can't take Tylenol anyway because I got kidney problems. Ibuprofen. I'm not supposed to take any of that shit. But I do. But no. 2025, we going the holistic way. Much as possible. Just wipe the sides of this off. And when I get back upstairs, I'll show y'all when I apply it to my knee. I'm trying to just clean it up. Make sure it's clean. Get all the extra residue off. Alright, I'll be back when I get upstairs. Okay, y'all, so I'm back upstairs now. I made my cream. I put it in my jar and everything. So now I'm going to apply it too. And it's nothing but mango butter, lavender oil, and cayenne pepper. I just made my own little salve that you can buy at the store, but I made my own without all the extra shit added and all of that. And I got the shirt because I'm going to wrap it once I rub it in real good. Trying to rub it in real good, y'all. Put this on my dresser. And then I'm going to take this, the t-shirt, and sort of get some extra heat to it. And alright. And in a couple of minutes or a couple of hours, my knee will start to feel better. Like 2025, I'm going to stop taking all that damn medicine. That don't help. Like that blood pressure medicine that I take, I'm about to stop taking it. I take it every day. And my blood pressure still be high. So I'm just going to have to cut out all the bullshit that I eat. Start eating more greens. Start eating more fruits and vegetables to get my health where I want it to be. But yeah, y'all, that's something y'all can do too. I could have put the cayenne pepper in oil, like coconut oil or either any kind of oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, huh? Almond oil. Oh, yeah. I made the salve. You will need some, let me know. Yes, my knee. Put it on my knee.
Where you put it on?
I put cayenne pepper. No, it's just like a lotion. I put cayenne pepper in there and
So just put it all over your body?
wherever you're aching it. But you can put it all over your body. But I put cayenne pepper in there because my stomach hurt. I mean, my knee is aching. I ain't put too much because it'll burn like crazy if I put too much.
It burns?
No, I'm saying I didn't put, you don't smell it because I ain't put too much in there. Because last time I did it too much and it was burning. Yeah. That was my daughter-in-law. She just came and got some because she said her stomach been hurt. So I was like, put some on your stomach. It ain't hurt you. It's all natural. It ain't gonna hurt you a bit. But yeah, y'all, so I'm in pain, so I'll talk to y'all tomorrow, okay? I love y'all. Always be nice, be kind, do something to make somebody happy. You never know what nobody's going through.